Okay, good morning, friends. Today I'm just going to take the new topic hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbon, what's the hydrocarbon? That is the means of this is the topic of mainly organic chemistry, and in this organic chemistry topic, mainly this is the based of the on the carbon chemistry. So organic, just a hydrocarbon. We just are going to take this one, hydro and carbon. Okay, this word is made from the hydrogen plus carbon. As you know, hydrogen is located in the first group and carbon is located in the fourth group. Hydrogen is first A and carbon, but is the dual position. First A and seventh is also hydrogen, and carbon is the also the carbon is in the fourth A position. So this is the hydrogen and carbon both have a similar electronegativity. Both have a about of similar, not exact similar, but the both have a similar electronegativity approximately. So just because of this reason, they are going to formation of a going to form a large number of organic compounds because approximately its electronegativity is zero. So both for this reason, both of these compounds makes a lot of organic compounds, and this is the property of a catenation. This is the property of main carbon property is the catenation. In Hindi, catenation is known as the Shrankhalan. Shrankhalan. Okay, this catenation property is mainly taken the going to take the Shrankhalan catenation property, and in this catenation property, due to the difference of hydrogen and carbon is going to take very zero approximately zero. That's why that is the catenation property, and only this is the basic reason of the forming of a lot of organic compounds, just a methane, propane, butane, isobutane, a lot of compounds. Okay, just we take hydrocarbon, there is a then we are going to take only hydrogen and carbon compounds, and in the hydrogen and carbon, in the hydrogen and carbon, hydrocarbon, just you take first is cyclic and acyclic compound. First a category of their classification, as you write here, classification. There is cyclic compound and acyclic compound. Cyclic compound and acyclic compound. Cyclic compound just make a cycle like this is a like this is the cyclic compound. This is also cyclic compound. Okay, and acyclic compound that don't make the cycle. जिसमें cycle का formation ना हो, जिसमें एक चक्र का निर्माण ना हो, that is known as the acyclic compound. And this is the straight thing. See, this is the normal butane. This is the isobutane, and this is the isopentane. Isopentane. Okay, this is the isobutane, this is the normal butane, and this is the isopentane. In these things, there is a carbon chain. Carbon is attached. There is a four carbon. There is a four carbon also, and there is a five carbon. Iso is there. No, this is a neopentane. Okay, this is the neopentane. So this is a acyclic compound. There is not formation of link cycle, and there is a cyclic compound. There is cyclic formation. Okay, on this basis, the classifications on the basis of cyclic and acyclic. Another classification based on the basis of physical state or on the basis of saturation level. On the basis of saturation level. Saturation level means संतृप्त. Saturation means what is the means of a saturation? That is a संतृप्त. संतृप्त क्या होता है? जैसे what do you mean of saturation? That is the I am satisfied. Just means just we take about the carbon. Carbon is satisfied itself because carbon is you know the carbon is tetravalent. Carbon is tetravalent. So tetravalent means this one. Suppose that this is satisfied by hydrogen is also. Okay, this is a carbon is tetrahydro satisfied by all the hydrogen. This is the first compound of organic chemistry is the methane. This is the parent compound. This is the parent compound methane. And saturation when two carbon atoms attached with other and satisfied itself with the hydrogen, there is a single bonding linkage between the carbon carbon. Carbon carbon have a there is a single bonding linkage that is the known as the saturated compound. Okay, C. This is the saturation because carbon carbon have a C single bonding linkage is saturation. This is known as a aliphatic compound. Aliphatic means aliphatic that is the what this is the olefin compounds. Paraffin. The paraffin compounds are there, and these are solid and wax like. Okay, but if you just see the in the carbon carbon linkage, there is a presence of double bond like this. In any two carbon have a double bonding linkage means there is the sharing of more than one electron sharing of more this in this you see there in between those carbon atoms there is a double bonding linkage. I just rub this drawing and on the outside just rub this. Okay, this is just this you just see in carbon carbon there is single bonding linkage. This is the aliphatic this is the paraffin aliphatic, and this is the olefin. Olefin is liquid like, and there's C double bond there, and there is also double bond. When between the two carbon atoms there is a two electron sharing, more than one electron sharing. There is a means two or three electrons there is shared. That is the known as the this is the olefin, or this another word this is known as best as unsaturated compound. Unsaturated compound. Okay, unsaturated compound there is a due to the deficiency of hydrogen atom there is a two carbon atoms shared with themselves, and remaining valencies is satisfied by the hydrogen. Remaining valencies is satisfied by the hydrogen. There is hydrogen. There is hydrogen. Okay, this is unsaturated compound. So mainly basic is the saturated compound, saturated compound, and there is the unsaturated compound. Saturated compound means single bonding and unsaturated is a double bonding. In the unsaturated compound, there is also two categories. There is C double bond C and C triple bond C. This is the alkane family. This is the alkene family. This is the alkyne. C triple bond C alkyne family. C double bond C alkene family. And this is the alkane family. Okay. This is a hydrocarbon. Okay, now next topic on we just take the okay next topic we just take next one.